Okay,
Hello.
actually, I don't know how Bray University, United States of America,
Okay.
and I finished it in the month of February 2018, and since now I'm looking for placement.
Okay. Okay. So you are OPT, I think so.
I'm not OPT. I am H4EAD.
Oh, okay, fine. Then it's
Mhm.
fine. Okay. Okay. ML?
Yeah, actually, I'm working for New York Stock Exchange as a software developer over here.
Okay.
So I have
Okay.
near about 8 years of experience. So currently, I'm
Okay.
working as a backend developer.
Okay.
So earlier, we used to work on shell scripting, Python, shell scripting, Perl, as well as the JavaScript and all these concepts. So now
Oh,
we
okay.
are just starting working on the Python. So to enhance my skill itself, I just wanted to know more on the Python as well as to grab some new knowledge on the data science wherever it will
Okay.
help me on my career.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. First, I would like to give you clarity on this. Uh, okay. So for doing data science related projects, okay, you have to know tools or languages. Okay. So we are going to cover R and Python, our course side, and one commercial tool. Okay, commercial tool in market, lot of commercial tools are available. Statistical point of view, right?
Uh,
So yeah.
Venkat, actually it's very difficult to hear you. So I'm getting some background noise.
Okay, okay, just a minute.
Same here. Even I can hear you properly.
Maybe fan sound. Give me 1 minute. Now it's clear.
Somewhat better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Right. So we are going to cover data science in depth subject. Okay. For doing any project, first you need to have the subject in data science. Okay. So if you have the subject, you can play with any tool, any language. It can be R, it can be Python. Okay. It can be any commercial tool which is available in the market. Okay. So that is the story behind the data science. Okay. So learning languages like R, Python, and any other statistical tool, it's not a challenge. Okay. If you know the subject, you can play with any tool, any language, right? It's not purely development kind of projects, right? So we are going to issue commands simply. We are not going to build any logic, like writing entire program, okay, which completing overall transaction, right? It's not such kind of projects in data science. Data science will be totally different concept because you are came into the development background, right, Sanal? So that is the reason I'm giving the clarity on here, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, right. So moving our actual um, data science related, and I'm going to cover what we are going to learn and what are the languages or tools we are going to cover during 2.5 months of course. Okay. So first, let me introduce myself. This is Venkatram, having 20 plus years of IT industry experience in data science and business analytics, close to 14 years, and wave analytics 2 years. Wave analytics is a part of Salesforce technology. So I started career with Oracle applications. I had around 3 years in Oracle application functional. I got chance to work on different companies like Intel Group, Purdue Computers, Seagate, and Villasoft. Okay, currently with one of the channel as a practice manager for data science projects. Okay, I got almost all the technologies chance to work on it. Uh, it can be any data science or tools like visualization, summarization. These are the different areas we need to work as a data scientist. And tools, any tool if you have in your hand, it will be good. One open source, one commercial tool. for mainly especially in the US. SPSS is having good openings in US. SPSS, this commercial IBM tool, okay, and any open source tool like R or Python, okay. So we are going to cover SPSS and R and Python, okay, so that one commercial tool we can have the knowledge, and SPSS, that is a commercial tool, R and Python, okay. So next, still now I completed around 62 projects in all domains, different domains. Okay, once you got trained from my side, you are not going to specifically going to work on specific domain. Okay, you are able to work any domain. So that is the reason, the main reason how we are going to work all these domains. We are going to cover different domains related case studies, projects. Okay, so that you will feel very much comfortable to handle any domain projects. Okay, and training experience till now had around 5.5 years. Okay, so I used to do only online trainings, not offline trainings. Okay, till now we completed the 35 batches. It's not 34, so we're going to start 36 batch. Okay, clear? Any doubts here? I'll move into actual data science.
So actually,
Yeah.
I got one question, right? Because I heard about a few of the frameworks like Spider, Anaconda, or something, right? Which is being used by the like as part of the data science, right?
No,
So
no.
I'm
No,
not sure
no.
about that. So I just want
No.
some brief about that.
Yes, yes. See, that is the reason I mentioned clearly. If we have the subject, data science subject, you can handle any tool, any language, because in the market, hundreds of tools or languages are available. Okay, the major companies using are, after that Python in open source, first R and then Python. Okay, commercial tools, SPSS most of the companies using. Okay, some healthcare or clinical related companies using SAS. Okay, SAS manner, right? So these, if you know, as I said, if you know subject, okay, the techniques, the keywords, the techniques, if you ever simply you can open the tool which you are not aware of, you can find out those techniques and you can apply. Okay, that is the reason subject is important in data science point of view, not a tool. Okay, so once you are open with, for example, if you open Excel sheet, you know, right, how to, where to you can apply formulas and all. Similarly, tools also looks like that only.
Yeah,
Okay, only thing is commands, R commands, Python commands. You need to know. Okay, because
got it.
these commands also, if you know the commands where you need to apply, if you know the technique, data science technique, by finding the technique keyword in the Google, you will get the command. Okay, that is the reason I'm saying it's not important of any language. The subject is important here. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to next. Jobs trends point of view, up to 2015, there is 2.3 million openings in analytics. Okay. So you may be confused why analytics. We are talking about data science. No, data analytics and modeling part of data science. Okay, I will let you know down the line. And coming to the forecasting of the job by 2018, as per the mechanics report, it's 2.9 million jobs. Okay, so these are job trends. Okay, almost 1.5 million jobs are shortage overall across the globe. Okay, and as per 2017 Forbes report, the average salary is between $1,16,000 and $1,63 in between, as per the Forbes report. Okay, in terms of dollars, right? So this is a salary trend. And what is a data science? So nobody is defined till now exactly what is data science. Okay, as per their experience, they used to say their own definition. Okay, so this is my definition, red colored marked one. Data science is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. Okay, so all story behind the data science is source is data, historical data. Okay, it employs techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the broad area of mathematics, statistics, information science, computer science. So that is the reason, like irrespective of any education background, anyone can learn data science. Okay, it's not purely IT sector related projects. Okay, you may get that job in banking sector, pharmaceutical sector, okay, insurance sector, financial sector. Okay, it's not specific to IT sector. Okay, any sector will get the jobs if you know data science. Okay, and for completion any project, you have to have machine learning language techniques, classification techniques, cluster analysis, data mining, databases, and visualization. These are the main parts of data science. Okay, so like as I said, mathematics, statistics, information science, and computer science. Right. So at least computer science, you have basic knowledge how to use the computer. Mathematics, statistics, okay, these are already we learn uh, up to 10th class, right? All statistic techniques, algebra, probability theory. Okay, those are the basics we are already learned. That basics we are going to again learn, and from there we are going to take it forward. Data science, advanced techniques. Okay, the base is the mathematics, statistics. Okay, information science for learning data science. Okay, so during my course, you are again our first 10 sessions, the basics we are going to discuss. Okay, whatever we learn up to 10th class. Clear? Any doubts?
It's clear.
Yeah. Shruti? Spurti?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to explain you what is a business analytics, what is a modeling, how the companies are using business analytics and modeling for improving their business, for improving their revenues. Okay. Now first we'll talk about the business analytics. Thousands of applications and tools generating data, right? It can be any application. It can be ERP application, it can be custom application, it can be portals. They are using since almost 3 to 4 decades, right? Now they have a lot of data, terabytes of data. Now the companies are using the data for improving their business, the past historical information. Okay, so that, for example, there is a two types of data: transactional data and feedback and reviews data. For example, if you want to buy one product through online, right, you used to pay through online, right, after placing the order, right, enter your information like your personal information and your transactional amount, okay, those are stored in database. It's called transactional information, okay, transactional data, which is generated in the application or manually. Once you buy the product, you start giving the feedback, reviews and feedback. That feedback can be, you can do like SMS, through video, through audio, okay. These are our image. These are unstructured data. Transactional data is a structural data, okay. Feedback and reviews are unstructured data. Sometimes you used to say supervised data, unsupervised data. Okay, so any big data, these are all big data. These are all big data, right? As a data scientist, you are going to work, okay, by picking sample data from the big data and start doing analysis. It is called sample data set, right? So, for example, eBay company given thousands of records, right? Thousands of records or lakhs of records. You are not going to analyze overall big data. You are going to analyze sample data from the big data, okay, towards the client requirement. Towards the client requirement, you will start working on it, okay. You will start working on this, right, based on the business requirement. So, what you are going to working on it? By using this sample data, you are going to work towards the business requirement. During the process, as a business analyst, you are going to apply different EDA techniques, exploratory data analytics techniques, right? That is summarization and visualization. Summarization means you are going to work statistics, mathematics, probability, okay? These are the main. Visualization means you are going to apply different graphical representation of the data techniques. That is visualization. Okay. By using these two techniques, you need to know different, okay, techniques. So by using these two, you are going to do predictions, what is going to happen tomorrow, and estimate it. Okay, how much you are going to gain, which you are going to target, those things, and forecasting what is going to happen next week, next 2 weeks, next month, next quarter, next halfway, next year. Okay, by using these three techniques, you are going to do predictions, estimate, forecasting. So, as a data scientist, as a business analyst, you are going to take fact-based decision based on the analysis of the data. You are not going to take any hypothetical decision. That is your responsibility as a data scientist, as a business analytics. This is a part of business analytics. If you take any project, there will be 80% of work as a business analyst. Okay, clear? Any doubts up to here?
I got like maybe it's not relevant, but yeah, I got a couple of questions.
Yeah.
So, as you shown in the mentioned in the picture, right? So you are saying that the structured data as well as the unstructured data. If I
Right.
understand correctly, whenever it's a structured data, then it's like it's the format is different, right? It's like however the regular database has the data, right?
Yeah.
And whenever it's unstructured, it's like basically whatever it is coming from the wave access or something that it can say human written
Yeah.
or something, right?
Yeah. Images, videos,
Yes.
audios.
Yeah,
Those
those
are
are the
unstructured.
things.
Yeah.
So at the end, you are clubbing, and whenever you are you have another section was that sample data, right?
Right.
So
Right.
those are being handled by the different threads, or it's like how you are handling, right? Because the two different data sets,
No,
the
no.
data sets are different, right?
Yes, a different data sets, not the clubbing, okay? As a business analyst, you are going to work structure related projects, unstructured related projects.
Yeah, technically, if I want to know, right, if I just think, right, if I
Hmm.
want to visualize,
Hmm.
then that should be a different technique to handle the structured data, and that should
Right.
be a different way to interpret the unstructured data, right?
Yes, yes.
And like, what makes the difference, right? For like, how you are applying those techniques, like,
Yes.
which part is doing that?
Right. So there is a different techniques in the data science, like it's called PCA, dimension deduction, right? Suppose in Google, if you are finding some picture, you will see hundreds of pictures, right? How that
Right.
hundreds of pictures you are able to see in the Google? The technique behind is PCA technique. It's called dimension deduction also. Okay, two component analysis. Right. Suppose if you take one picture in Google and you are pasted in the paint, okay, if you observe, there is slightly difference in the resolution, right?
Correct.
How the resolution is changing. There is a technique behind, right? Right? You can improve the technique, okay, through applying some techniques. There are some data science related techniques. It's called dimension detection or factor analysis, RPCA, right? So that also you can apply in the unstructured data, right? Simply, I can say structural data you can apply through SQL, development, right? So through SQL, you can query structural data, okay? And unstructured data you cannot query through SQL, right?
Right.
Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So for getting that, by applying some PCA techniques, okay, you can handle unstructured data. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So it's like by learning through different techniques, then only we can going to know that what is those techniques, right? It's called, as I said, PCA techniques or dimension direction techniques. Okay. How, for example, if you're talking by using mic, that structure, the text format of what you are talking, you can track in the system, right? Suppose I'm talking with you, whatever I'm talking in English, the sentence is going to be recognized by the system. How it is happening? That is through these techniques only.
Okay.
Voice recognition, and if you give some image, okay, you can easily identify what is that image. Even nowadays, you are using some devices for tracking one picture, right? Through the picture,
Yes.
you are able to log in the system.
Yes.
They were all behind these techniques only.
Okay.
Okay, just for giving idea of what is this unstructured data, right? It's nothing but big data. You can say it's nothing but big data, right? Most of the big data is unstructured data. Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts? Yeah. So this is business analytics. Okay. Now I'm moving to business analytics we discussed. Once you've done the business analysis, you are going to do modeling. Model. Suppose you are going to propose 3 to 4 solutions. You got output 3 to 4 solutions. Before delivering to the customer, you need to do few things. Okay. So that is called model. First, while doing the modeling, how we are doing the modeling? Through applying different machine learning techniques. Okay. Once you done the modeling, you are going to diagnostics that model, how it is going to work. Testing. For doing also, you need to know some machine learning techniques. And best fit model. Suppose you have 3 models in your hand. Which is the best fit model? For identifying that, you need to apply few more machine learning techniques. Once you find out best fit model, before delivering to the customer, you need to validate it. Model validation. How you are going to validate it? Again, you have to apply some machine learning techniques. Once you've done the validation, you are going to deliver to the customer. Okay, so this is modeling part. During this process, you are going to learn almost 60 machine learning techniques. This is the area we are going to use tools. Without tools, you cannot do that. Without R, without Python or any other commercial tools, you cannot do modeling. Okay, mandatory. It's a mandatory for handling any modelings, right? The combination of business analytics and modeling is called data science. Right? In the market, 50% of jobs are available in business analytics and modeling. Two different roles. Okay, but if you take any project, 80% of work in business analytics, 20% of work in modeling. This 20% playing very critical role. The main reason is for doing the modeling, you have to have knowledge of business analytics. Okay, not R or Python, any tool. That's the subject. Okay, if you know this, you can easily handle modeling. Okay, in modeling, there is a shortage. Okay, because very less people are available in the market to train on the modeling part. Right? Modeling is a different concept. Right? So if you know modeling, in modeling also two advanced techniques are there, like PCA technique. Okay, very less people are available in the market to train in the PCA techniques. It's called dimension reduction, it's called factor analysis for handling any unstructured data. Right? So that is the reason that the modeling is playing very critical role in any project. Clear? Any doubts? Two roles: business analyst role, modeling role. Okay, if you know these two, you are the data scientist. As a data scientist, you need to handle both structural data and unstructured data, and you have to have some machine learning techniques for handling these two roles. Okay, so what are those machine learning techniques? So like actually two types of data: numerical data, categorical data. It's called character data, right? While modeling, you are going to learn these many number of techniques: adjusted R-square, ANOVA, correlation, scatter plot. These are the different techniques. In modeling diagnostics, you are going to learn these are the techniques. Similarly, best fit model, okay, and model validation. These are all techniques we are going to learn. In case of categorical data, you are going to apply few more different modeling machine learning techniques. Okay, chi-square, association, logic function, p-value, binary regression, probability model. These are the different techniques. Similarly, in model diagnostics, in case of categorical data, best fit model and validation model. Okay, so these are almost close to 60 machine learning techniques. It's called algorithms. Okay, you are going to learn, right? These algorithms, all these techniques, it's not my own. Okay, these are a customized course from IIM Bangalore and ISB Hyderabad. Okay, so more than whatever they are teaching, we are combined both. Okay, we are covering these entire techniques. Right? Once you done this, you are perfect in the data science. You can handle any type of data science projects. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, these are the techniques available in R, Python, any commercial tools. Okay, yeah. Next, so this is the business analytics life cycle. First, you need to identify the problem. What is the problem? Prepare the data set. Okay, data preparation. Explore the data through different techniques. Transform the data. These are business analytics, okay, activities. Once you've done this, you start building the model and then validate the model, deploy the model, and before that, evaluate the result to be delivered to the customer. This is the life cycle. Once you've done this, all activities, you are going to deliver the output to the customer in the format of PPT, Word document, or Excel sheet based on their requirement. Okay, we are not going to, like other development languages, generally you will like create the exe file, finally you are delivering output to the customer. No, it's not kind of such kind of work here. You are going to deliver these formats.
Okay.
Reporting format, summarization format. Okay, and justification points. How you are going to derive that? How you are arriving that picture number of, right? That is part of this one. So, as I said, very first slide, visualization, summarization. During the visualization, you are going to learn histogram, box plot. These are different graphical representation of the data. These are techniques we are going to discuss. During the summarization, we are going to discuss different data types, central tendency, dispersions, pi number analysis, distribution, cross tabulations. Okay, these are different summarization techniques. Why this? So, what are the uses and validations of these techniques? During this process, we are going to learn why to use these techniques like visualization, summarization, how to use, where to use. These are we are going to learn. And what data we are going to do? Validation. How we are going to do validation and when we are going to do validation. Okay, these are we are going to discuss during the course. This is a part of data science. Okay, and the sample histograms will be looks like. Okay, by using this histogram, you can find out whether the given data is a good data or bad data, or in software terminology, whether data is following normality or not. Okay, that we can identify through histogram. Okay, and bar chart, you are aware of the bar chart, box plot. This box plot will play a very critical role in the data science for finding bad data or good data. Okay, or any errors are there in the given data, right? So this is a very important one in the data science. It's called box plot. Pie chart, you are aware of this, and correlation plot. These also play a very critical role in the data science, right? For while we're working in different variables, okay, we are going to use correlation plot, bubble chart, scatter plot. This is also very play a very critical role in the data science. Okay, for finding out like what are the data, how it behaving data. Right? This scatter plot will be used. And line chart, you are aware of this, and other plots we are going to discuss, that is stem and leaf plots, standardized plot, PP, QQ plots, okay, skew plots like right, left, and curtices left, like Lepo, Plato, and Maso curtices. So these are different graphical representation of the data we are going to discuss during the course. Any doubts up to here?
No, nothing from my side.
Yeah. Smooth your understanding, right?
Yes. Yep.
Yes.
No doubt.
Okay. Now, what is central tendency? These are the techniques. Comes under central tendency, like mean, median, mode, weighted mean, geo mean. Few of we have done, except few, one or two, we are learned in 10th class, right? Those are the techniques again we are going to discuss first 10 classes. Okay, this comes under central tendency. Dispersions, few of them you are aware of, like standard deviation, variance, coefficient of variance, minimum, max, range, standard deviation error, mean error. Okay, except the skewness, curtices, and IQR, everything you are aware of. You will learn during the 10th, up to 10th class. Okay, and quartiles, like quartiles, you are aware of this also, percentages, right? It's also called quartiles, like Q1, Q2, Q3, 25, 50, 75, that is quartiles. Other than the quartiles comes under percentiles. Okay, these are we are going to discuss. And distribution, the data, given data is how it is behaving. Through distribution we can identify whether it's the unique data or up and downs data, or it's following normal data, or it's following skewness data. We are going to identify that, okay, by using distribution. These are all comes under data distribution. Okay, so these are techniques we are going to discuss during the course. And different data types, as I said, different data types, mainly two types. Okay, apart from two types, we have some more different data types. Okay, by using the data types, we can identify which techniques you are going to need to apply on the data based on the data type. Okay, these are the different data types we are going to discuss. Okay, for understanding what is a number data type, what is a character data types, how generally we used to say, how mathematical guy used to say, statistical guy, warehousing guy, analytics guy, they are using different terminologies. Okay, that we are going to discuss. During the course, we are going to apply different univariate techniques for testing the data, like t-test, z-test, ANOVA test, MANOVA test. These are different types of testing techniques we are going to apply by using machine learning language. Machine learning. Okay, so here again we are going to apply both number data and categorical data. Number data we used to say comparison test, character data we used to say association test. Okay, so different techniques we are going to learn during the univariate techniques, and again multivariate techniques. Okay, so these are the different multivariate techniques we are going to apply. Okay, and during the course, the main course comprising of 5 modules. Okay, big data analytics, mining, estimations, quality, visualization, and summarization. During learning of this process, we are going to apply, okay, R language, Python language, SPSS. Okay, SPSS. So, as I said, I used to cover R. Some people may need only R language. Okay, some people may need Python also. Okay, so during the course, I'm going to apply R, Python, and
Bandit,
SPSS.
can you repeat it again? I couldn't able to hear that.
Okay, so during the learning all these techniques, okay, we are going to cover R language, Python language. Some people may ask R language. Some people may ask Python language. Okay, so during the course, I'm going to apply first R and SPSS. One open source, one commercial. Okay, at the end, separately, we are going to discuss Python language. Okay, so Python language is a vast subject. If you like parallelly to try to learning the subject and Python, it is little bit difficult to you understand the process, and you won't get chance to do the practice in Python. Okay, so that is the reason Python at the end I'm going to cover. Okay, separately. Okay, during the course, first R and SPSS we are going to cover first. Okay, so these are the techniques we are going to apply on real data. You are going to do 10 projects, different domains. Okay, with real data. It's not fake data. Okay, it's a real data. Okay, so that is the reason once you done the course, you are able to eligible. You are going to handle different domain projects. It can be finance, healthcare, education, pharma, real estate, trading, sales, agriculture, other different case studies we are going to do. Okay, weekly 5 days course. I mean, I'm going to take the class sessions per day, 1 hour. Okay, and 1 more hour you need to do the practice. Your one whenever you get the chance during the day. Okay, and weekend you are going to do projects. Then only you'll get hands-on. Okay, then only you get hands-on. How you are going to do the projects your own? You can do very easily because weekdays I'm going to do in front of the project, right? So each day you will get Excel sheet from me. That Excel sheet will contain the data, what are the techniques I have applied manually, okay, and what are the storytelling points. Well, that it contains that Excel sheet. That Excel sheet very friendly had designed for each section. Once I complete the session, through email, I'm going to send that Excel sheet. Okay, let me show you that Excel sheet, how it will be, so that you will get clear picture. Clear? Any doubts up to here?
No, it's clear.
Yeah. Spurti? Spurti, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. I
Yeah,
said
okay.
yes.
Okay. Next, once you're done the code, okay, the main objective of the course, right? So this course is designed to provide in-depth subject and knowledge of handling any business data, any domain data, and analytics tools that are used for handling any topics that can be used for problem solving, for making the decision. Okay. So based on the using real data, you are going to do actual projects. Okay. So you will feel once you complete the course, you will feel very comfortable to handle any type of projects. Okay. And the main outcome of the course is understanding the foundation of data science, the role of descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. These are different types of analytics. understand the emergence of business analytics as a competitive strategy. Okay, you are going to analyze data using statistical and data mining techniques. Understand the relationship between the underlying business process of an organization. You are going to do validation, visualization. You are going to write storytelling points once you done the projects, how we are going to arrive those specific numbers. Okay, you are going to take decision making by using different tools. You are going to do lot of operation research analysis by using different techniques. You are going to apply different advanced analytics tools, analyze complex problems by using the tools. You are going to do business processes using analytical management tools. Okay, and we can solve any type of customer problems for different industries. Okay, and you are going to work on different case studies on different business schools. The business schools, we are going to take 3 to 4 business schools related case studies, how they are going to discuss those different case studies. Okay, so like big data we are going to use, we are going to apply different algorithms on this big data analytics. Okay, and you are able to analyze and structure data and structural data, social media data by using different machine generated data. Okay, for doing this all, you have to have different knowledge. Excel is a mandatory. Okay, in Excel sheet we are going to do manually. Right? If suppose there is Bayes theorem, right? How the Bayes theorem is derived through formula. So those formulas and all manually we are going to do it on Excel sheet. Okay, we are going to discuss few languages like Python, R, SAS, SQL, different commercial based on the request. Okay, and benefits of the course. What is the use of this course to the companies, business? Okay, for increasing the revenue. Okay, for realizing the actual efficiency, cost efficiency, improving competitiveness, sharing information with the business with different proper presentations, improving decision making process for the companies. Okay, speeding up decision making process for the company, responding business users needs for availability of data on timely basis. That is important. Okay, so these are the main objectives and benefits of the course. Okay, once hope you are received already from the Ramesh, right, the detailed course content. Okay, let me go to the Excel sheet. Before that, the data as a data scientist, you are going to handle mathematics related pattern recognition. Pattern recognition means image processing, data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural networks, data visualization, hypothetical modeling, big data solution, exploring the data, modeling, prescriptive data analytics, and statistics. Okay, this is the main outcome. As a data scientist, you are going to handle all these type of techniques in projects. Okay, so overall close to 60 hours course content. Okay, weekly 5 days, 1 hour a session. Weekends we are going to assign assignments. If you are unable, if you are stuck somewhere during the weekend, next day I'm going to explain the same. Okay, detailed course content already you received. There is a weekend batch for very senior level people, managers and above, right? For those people, a structure will be different course, and every 3 months I'm going to start new batch. Coming to the interview, as I said, the Excel sheet, right? Every day that Excel sheet, okay, if you read, that is sufficient for facing any interviews. Okay, let me go through the Excel sheet first. Okay, so this is overall demo. Okay, so like you might have some doubts. What is the data science? what is the artificial intelligence, what is the machine learning, what is the deep learning. Let me go through this slide and I will show you the Excel sheet. Okay, the data science is for mainly understanding the data. Okay, the artificial intelligence is mainly enable computer to think. That is the purpose of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is, the purpose is mainly learn from data by using different statistical tools. And deep learning, right? Deep learning is a multi-layered neural network. Okay, this is a different concept. If you look at this picture, the data science is overlapping artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, these two are part of data science, our course. Deep learning is not part of data science. It's a different. Okay, but it's a subset of artificial intelligence. The machine learning is also a subset of artificial intelligence. Clear? Clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Now I'm going to that Excel sheet. Before that, if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Okay, I have doubts, but I'll ask at the end of the session.
Okay, so this is the each day we get this type of Excel sheet. Okay, this is actual data given by the customer. Okay, and the purpose of this data is by using the past historical data. Okay, as a data scientist, I am going to propose which promotional activity the company need to concentrate, because the company is at present using 16 different promotional activities and they are spending a lot of amount on the promotional activity for doing the business. Okay, but they want to reduce the cost because they are investing a lot of amount on 16 different promotional activities. They want to concentrate on the only two, right? What are those two techniques, two promotional activities they want to concentrate it? Okay, that as a business analyst, I need to analyze, and we are going to propose solution to the customer. Okay, during the process, we are going to learn applying different techniques. These are the storytelling points. Okay, how we are going to arrive these numbers. Okay, how we are going to generate the graphs, right, in Excel sheet as well as in different tools, right? Sales and advertising model, right? So this is how I'm going to teach, right? So these are the tables generated from SPSS, R language, or Python language. Okay, how these numbers are arrived? This is generated by tools, but we don't know how these numbers are arrived. That we are going to derive in Excel sheet. Okay, right? So tools will very useful, but how the numbers are arrived, you have to know that, right? These are the manual calculation. Predictions, I applied some formula here. Residual, I apply some formula here, right? So by using this, you can learn. This is mainly subject. If you know the subject, you can handle any type of projects. Okay, see here, storytelling points. These storytelling points are very important entry point of view or while delivering the project to the customer, right? Every day you will get this Excel sheet once I complete this session, right? Yeah, we can ask now doubt. Any doubts?
No, not right. Is it the end of the session?
Yes, yes. Tell me if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Okay. Are you gonna use any BA and BI tools in this session? In the course.
BI tool business intelligence, right? You are asking.
Yes, business
Yes.
intelligence tool. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. So business intelligence only, like
Yes.
the statistics and all, they're going to apply. Yes, SPSS and R language. Some of not fully. Even the companies are using Power BI, Microsoft product, right? That also companies are using for intelligence purpose. Yes.
Okay. And what kind of jobs for the data scientists, as in the entry level, I can get?
Yes. Entry level also. 30% of jobs the companies are looking for freshers who are recently completed the course.
Is
Okay,
there
these
any?
are
Mhm.
yeah, these people are the main sources for revenues to the company.
Can you suggest any of the position, like what kind of the entry level? What they call this
Data,
position?
data scientist you can get it, business analyst role or modeling role separately or data scientist role. As I said, data scientists need to handle both business analytics and modeling. If you are only business analyst role, you are the business analyst. Okay. If you are a modeler, you are going to work modeling role.
For the entry level, definitely I do not have any experience, and for the entry level, I do not need any experience as well. Technically.
No. In US, no. As I said, Express is an IBM tool, right? That
Mhm.
is having a lot of demand in the US and Canada. Okay, that is a commercial tool. That is a commercial tool, licensed tool. It is not available in the open source tool. Okay, I'm going to give that license copy to you for practice. Okay, if you hands on, definitely you will get the job in US.
Okay.
You
And
can
are
search
you
in
gonna?
Yeah, you can search in any jobs portal. Okay, you can find out so many jobs by typing analytics, comma, with SPSS or R
Again, and
or Python. Yeah,
say it
tell me.
again. Sorry, I didn't get
R.
you. I got.
No, you can type the keywords business analytics, comma, R. Okay, or business analytics, comma, Python, or business analytics, comma, SPSS. You can type in any job portal. You can get so many jobs. You can find out so many jobs.
All right, got it. Okay,
Yeah.
are you gonna prepare for the interview
Yes.
questions and
Every
interview and stuff?
Yes. Every day, as I said, this Excel sheet. Okay, 100%, 80% of questions you can address if you go through this Excel sheet.
All right. Yeah, that's the only question I had.
But generally, people will ask, especially in US, what you done in projects, what project type of project you have done, how you done. Okay, that you are doing, you are hands-on during the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Any more doubts?
No more from my side.
Yeah. Samal?
No, nothing. I'm good.
Yeah. So if you have any doubts on anything, talk to Ramesh. Okay. I need to jump another session. Actually, I'm having sessions 7:30 morning and 8:30 morning for US people, especially US and Canada people.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Anyway, Venkat, actually, thank you so much. Actually, this is the brief one, and it was something helpful for me. And
Okay.
really appreciate for your time. And early morning, I know it's difficult.
No problem. Like I used to take the batches from 7:30 onwards, 7:30 to 9:30, 2 hours, two different batches.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
Yeah, if you want, through Ramesh, you can get the feedback reviews on the my portal. Okay, the link Ramesh will share with you.
Okay
Okay,
then.
you can touch base with those people in US, right? Almost most of the not Indian, most of the people are white people, US people from my batches. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So some very some people out of if you take minimum 10 people will be there in my batch. 80%
Oh,
of from US people only, remaining from India.
oh, I see.
Yeah. So if you have any doubts, shoot a mail to Ramesh and he will take it forward to me. Okay.
Okay then. Sure,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
I'll
Nice
touch
to
base
talk
with
to
you.
you, Samal and Shruti.
Okay. Thank you, Venkat.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Yes, Amal. Hello. Samal, can you hear me? Hello.